The post office, baby. All right, we just got a couple more orders, so I'm on my way to the post office. Again, Hash is my hobby. The drop car. Shh. Hash my hobby. The drop is live right now. We got shirts, long sleeves, and dab mats. The dab mats are almost sold out. The shirts, we still got a couple of them. Thank you guys for supporting. You're appreciated. Let's go drop these off. Again, Hash is my hobby. The drop is live. All right, packages dropped off. You guys are amazing. Let's talk about something. You know, we're at the United States government post office. We got to talk about that. The United States government, man. There's some news. Man. Guns and weed. Let's get into it.
So today, we found out some new news, guys. We're allowed to own guns. Yes, if you own a medical marijuana card, or if you are a cannabis user, or some years now you've been maybe informed that you aren't able to own a firearm because you're a cannabis user, all right? And that was the sole reason. But today we got some news. Check this out, guys. Judge rules in Oklahoma that this is a violation of our constitutional rights. Our Second Amendment right was violated when it says we are not allowed to own a firearm. So a federal judge in Oklahoma has ruled that a federal law prohibiting people who use marijuana from owning firearms is unconstitutional. So this is a big dub for anybody out there who hasn't been able to own a firearm because they use cannabis. I think it's pretty silly. If you drink alcohol, you can still own a gun. I smoke cannabis as an adult. Should also be able to protect my home or go hunting or whatever it is with my firearms. So I think this is a huge win. Big shout out to Oklahoma for doing this. Now, again, I believe we'll get an appeal or something like this from the government. I don't think they're going to just lie down and give up super easy, but let's read through this. Let's see what happened. Yeah, let's see if we can get some news from here. So the federal judge in Oklahoma ruled this. Lawyers for Jared Harrison argued that their client's Second Amendment right to bear arms was violated by a federal law that makes it illegal for unlawful users or addicts of controlled substances to possess firearms. Controlled substances, again, you know, cannabis is still considered highly illegal on the federal side. So this is a good case right here. Harrison was charged after being arrested by police in Oklahoma in May 2022 following a traffic stop. Police found a revolver and marijuana. Harrison told the police he is on his way to work at a medical marijuana dispensary, but did not have his medical marijuana card. His lawyers argued possession of the firearm focused on drug users or addicts wasn't consistent with her traditional firearm regulation, echoing what Supreme Court ruled last year in a case known as New York State Rifle and Pistol Association versus Buren. That set a new standard for interpreting the Second Amendment. Second Amendment, man, it's no joke, all right? The right to bear arms. It's important, you know. I'm a firearm owner. I think that it is important for individuals to be educated about it, to know how to use it. My wife knows how to use the gun. She's very proficient with shooting, and our whole family will be, you know, because I think it's a good skill to have. So I think this is massively important for America in general, but for cannabis users in America, where we'll be able to not have to have an additional fear of the federal government putting us in a cage because we own a firearm. Let's see what else we got in here. U.S. District Attorney Patrick Wick agreed with Harrison's lawyers ruling on Friday, and this was about a week ago. I'm about 6 to 7 days late on this. I think this was February 6th, 2023 that this decision was made. So they agreed with the lawyers. A fundamental right to possess a firearm is not a constitutionally permissible means. Yes. So again, constitutional right to own the firearm. Just because he is in possession of cannabis or a cannabis user does not give you the right to strip him of the right to own a firearm. Highlight on Oklahoma, marijuana can be bought legally at more than 2,000 stores. Oh, this also, I'm sure, played a big role too, because it wasn't Oklahoma, and Oklahoma has, you know, just a booming cannabis market right now. So this definitely played a part, I'm sure, with the judge's decision. It had to have. The Justice Department has said it will seek further appeals. Yes. So again, what we said in the beginning makes total sense. They're not going to just lie over. But this is interesting. This is super interesting. If you like the news and you want to hear more of this, we'll have some more short stories, breaking stuff like this relating to cannabis stuff. So thank you for watching. Hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.